Welcome back. Now, with the new version of Create React App, there's a few minor changes from what I'm going to show you in the next coming video. If we go to the source folder and we go to index.js, you'll notice that one, this service worker is now automatically unregistered. Now, service worker is something that we don't have to worry about. It's something that allows us to do something called progressive web apps, which I talk about in the part 2 of this course. Now, originally this was registered automatically, but now it's unregistered so that we technically don't use this service worker until we need to. But we don't need to worry about that. Next, if we look into the app file, you'll notice a big change here. Well, we have the logo as an SVG now. But the big important change is that this is now a function versus a class. Now, originally, before this newest version of Create React App, this used to be a class. Now, don't worry about the difference. We actually cover the topic later on in this section when we talk about class components and functional components. So for now, in order for us to get ready for the next lesson, I want to convert this into how it originally was as a class. So in order to test this, what we'll do is just run npm start to make sure that our project runs. Ooh, look at that. We have a nice little Create React App logo. They love changing the homepage every time there's a big update. All right, so this is running. And all we want to do is update this to originally how it was. It's actually quite simple. And by the way, I'll provide the code for you so you can just copy and paste it after this lesson. So we can just do a class now. So it's class app extends, and we extend from React so that we say React.component, which is a property on this React that we import. We don't need the parentheses anymore because this is a class. And then finally, instead of returning, we use render here like this. And this render will return this whole piece. So we can remove this. And in brackets here, just return this part. So if I save here, and now I refresh, everything should still be working. Now, moving forward, we're going to use this setup to learn about React. And don't worry, I know this looks intimidating, but we're going to decipher it and learn React by the end of this section. Let's get started.